Whimsical wood creations, bringing imagination to life. Wood has long been a medium for practical furniture and architectural elements, but when creativity takes center stage, it transforms into something truly magical. Whimsical wood creations capture the essence of fantasy, nostalgia, and playful imagination, turning ordinary wooden objects into extraordinary works of art. These pieces often blend storytelling, intricate craftsmanship, and unexpected design elements to create something that feels alive. Whether it's a fairy tale-inspired sculpture, a surreal piece of wooden furniture, or an enchanting wall decor. Unlike conventional wooden crafts, whimsical wood creations don't adhere to traditional forms. They bend the rules of proportion, incorporate unusual shapes, and embrace details that make them feel like something out of a dream. They might remind us of childhood wonder, bring a sense of joy to a space, or simply challenge our expectations of what wood can become. The art of storytelling through wood. One of the most fascinating aspects of whimsical wood creations is their ability to tell a story. These pieces often seem to belong in a fantasy book or a magical forest rather than a conventional living room. Some artisans carve scenes directly into the wood, creating layered landscapes with tiny houses, trees, and winding pathways. Others craft pieces that look like they've stepped right out of a fairy tale. Think wooden doors leading to imaginary realms, miniature woodland villages, or carved characters that seem ready to move at any moment. Storybook-style wooden houses are a popular choice in whimsical woodworking. These tiny homes, often featuring exaggerated curves, whimsical rooftops, and intricate details, bring a touch of magic to gardens, bookshelves, or even as part of larger architectural designs. Some artists even carve doors into real trees, creating the illusion that a tiny, hidden world exists just beyond our reach. Wooden dioramas are another stunning example of storytelling in wood. These handcrafted scenes often depict cozy, nostalgic moments, like a tiny wooden library, a secret garden, or a wintry village scene. Some incorporate lights, moving parts, or tiny hand-painted elements, making them feel even more immersive. Whimsical wooden furniture. Functional fantasy. Whimsical wooden furniture takes practical items and turns them into delightful, one-of-a-kind pieces that feel like they belong in a fantasy realm. Imagine a chair with legs that resemble twisted tree roots, a bookshelf shaped like a swirling gust of wind, or a bed frame that looks like an enchanted forest. These designs push the boundaries of what furniture can be, transforming everyday objects into works of art that spark joy and wonder. For example, imagine a coffee table where the legs are sculpted into playful woodland creatures, as if they are holding up the surface. Or a wardrobe shaped like a giant whimsical tree, with branches extending outward as shelves. Some pieces even integrate movement, such as rocking chairs designed to look like giant animals, or desks that incorporate hidden compartments and sliding wooden puzzle elements. Another incredible example is the floating wooden furniture trend, where tables, shelves, and chairs appear to hover in the air, supported by cleverly hidden structures or optical illusions created by the wood grain itself. These pieces make interiors feel like they belong in a dreamscape rather than a conventional home. Miniature fantasy worlds in wood. One of the most charming aspects of whimsical wood creations is the way they bring small-scale fantasy worlds to life. These handcrafted wooden pieces often feature tiny, intricate details, such as delicate bridges, miniature cottages, twisting staircases, and even tiny figures. Treehouse-inspired wooden creations are a perfect example of this. These designs often feature carved wooden ladders, tiny lanterns, and sculpted leaves, creating the illusion that a magical world exists just beyond our own. Some artists craft wooden fairy doors that can be placed against trees, walls, or furniture, hinting at the presence of an unseen, mystical world. Another delightful category is wooden automata, mechanical, hand-cranked wooden sculptures that move in charming, unexpected ways. These can depict anything from a flying wooden dragon to a tiny wooden baker rolling dough. The movement adds an extra layer of magic, bringing wooden creations to life in a way that feels almost like animation in physical form. Dreamlike wooden clocks and timepieces. Whimsical wooden clocks are another incredible example of fantasy meeting function. Unlike traditional clocks, these designs often take on unexpected artistic forms, such as oversized wooden pocket watches with intricate carvings, cuckoo clocks featuring miniature wooden towns, or surreal melting clocks inspired by dreamlike landscapes. Some wooden clockmakers create intricate timepieces where tiny carved figures move in sync with the ticking hands, adding a layer of motion and storytelling to an otherwise simple object. Others craft wall clocks that appear to be floating, bending, or twisting, creating an illusion of time being distorted in a fantastical way. Surreal and optical illusion wooden art. One of the most mind-bending aspects of whimsical woodworking is the use of optical illusions. Some artists carve wooden sculptures that appear to shift in perspective depending on the angle they are viewed from. Others craft pieces that seem to defy gravity, like wooden staircases that lead nowhere or sculptures that appear to be peeling away from reality. A popular example of this is the wooden infinity loop sculpture, where a single piece of wood is carved and bent to look as if it loops forever. Some artists also create wooden anamorphic illusions, artworks that only reveal their true shape when viewed from a certain perspective or reflected in a mirror. These pieces challenge the way we perceive wood as a rigid, static material, proving that it can take on fluid, impossible forms. Whimsical wooden toys, a nostalgic touch. Wooden toys have a special charm, and when designed with whimsy in mind, they become delightful keepsakes that capture the magic of childhood. Artisans create wooden pull toys shaped like mythical creatures, intricate puzzle boxes with secret compartments, and spinning tops with mesmerizing hand-painted patterns. Marionettes and wooden puppets are another form of whimsical wooden craft that brings a sense of nostalgia and magic. These carefully carved figures can be as simple or as intricate as the artist desires, with some featuring hand-cranked mechanisms that allow them to move in expressive, lifelike ways. Even classic wooden rocking horses can be reimagined in whimsical styles, perhaps shaped like dragons, unicorns, or even stylized creatures from folklore. These designs capture the joy of play, while also serving as stunning decorative pieces. Wood has long been admired for its warmth, durability, and natural beauty, but when combined with whimsical design, it takes on an entirely new personality. Whimsical wood creations have the power to transform ordinary interiors into enchanting, storybook-like spaces. Whether it's intricately carved wooden wall panels depicting fairy tale scenes, floating wooden shelves shaped like fluffy clouds, or an artistic headboard that mimics the twisting vines of a magical forest, these unique touches add charm and imagination to any home. One of the most captivating ways to introduce whimsy into an interior is through storytelling elements. Imagine wooden beams that aren't just structural but intricately carved with woodland creatures, swirling patterns, or even hidden messages waiting to be discovered. These details turn a simple living room or bedroom into an immersive space, where every carved figure or design invites curiosity and wonder. Even the smallest accents, like wooden drawer handles shaped like tiny foxes, owls, or mushrooms, can bring an unexpected sense of delight to an everyday space. For those who love DIY projects, whimsical wooden decor is a fantastic way to get creative. Repurposing old furniture with artistic carvings, laser-cut patterns, or hand-painted details can give new life to forgotten pieces. An old wooden cabinet can be transformed with intricate floral etchings. A simple mirror frame can become a work of art with hand-carved celestial designs, and even a plain wooden stool can take on a playful twist with sculpted legs that resemble tree roots. The beauty of whimsical wood decor lies in its ability to blend craftsmanship with imagination, turning functional objects into pieces of art. Conclusion: the magic of whimsical wood creations. Whimsical wooden creations are more than just decorative objects. They bring fantasy into reality. These pieces remind us that interior design doesn't have to be purely functional or serious. It can be playful, enchanting, and full of surprises. Whether it's a sculptural rocking chair with exaggerated curves, a wooden clock with moving storybook characters, or a tiny fairy door placed on a bookshelf, whimsical wooden art makes everyday life a little more magical. By incorporating whimsical wooden elements into our interiors, we celebrate the artistry of handcraft, the beauty of natural materials, and the joy of imaginative design. These creations encourage us to see our living spaces as more than just rooms. They become places of wonder, creativity, and warmth. Whimsical would proves that art and functionality can exist in perfect harmony, turning any home into a space that sparks curiosity and invites the imagination to roam free.